Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the Agrias Butterfly in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. So guys, this is one of the insects in the current event in Heartopia. If you want to catch this insect, you're going to go to the forest. Wait, after this, I'm going to show you the specific location. I'm going to open up my map. Okay, you can go to this area, guys, the jump puzzle area. This is the area where you can meet the Agrias butterfly. And let me open up my insect story so I can show you the detailed information about this insect. Alright, this one, the Agrias butterfly. And you can find it in the forest, specifically at the jump puzzle. So just explore the area now and start catching the Agrias butterfly. Okay guys, and that's where you can catch the Agrias butterfly in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!